offer is called Trio, right? This is exclusive sessions, right? That's three exclusive sessions, right? By me, by Hianop, who certified NLP trainer and business coach, under the Facebook page Hianop Coaching Philosophy, right? So my offer is that what you're gonna get is that I will provide you a coaching session that help you discover what important area in your life, right? To give you, to guide you to define your outcome, right? For example, that you just seen that you may need to know whether what focus that you're supposed to start. If you start right, you don't waste time and you be confident to define your outcome, right? This is value of 93 US dollar. Okay. Okay, and what is this for? This is for employees, self-employed, business owner, anyone who want to improve self-confidence, right? Okay, the second one, what you're gonna get? A coaching session, but this one will help you to discover possibility that will enable you to achieve your outcome, right? So this is to discuss whether what strategy, what option that actually can be helping you to lead you to close to your outcome, right? And this is value of 93 US dollar, right? Of course, combine these two is 186, right? Not just this. Number 3, I like to also offer you the step-by-step formula that helps you to create the visual SMART goal, right? Visual SMART goal, something that you can see, you can feel, right? You can hear. So that is always keep it with you, remind you and motivate you to commit to your outcome, right? You don't get off track easily, right? And this is value of $157 US dollar. And if I combine these three, total value become 343 US dollar, right? It's pretty much, but now it's not gonna be that amount. So I make it, very easy for you to remember. My offer is gonna be just 99 US dollar from 3 offers that I had. I'm gonna give to you under Trio exclusive sessions with me. Okay, so the launch price is 99. But you know what? This is something special, even more than that. This is the launch price, right? And I had very intention at launching it at 99 US dollar. But right now I want to collect success story from you guys. Okay, if you work with me, I really want to collect the success story. That means I'm gonna make you success, and of course, in return, I really you to give me the testimonial of how successful you are. You success, that means I become successful as a coach as well. This is the purpose. So with this kind of reason, this kind of purpose, so I'm gonna drop 80 US dollar today. Wow. So it's gonna really look like only that, only that, I tell you again, only that you become successful. So you would give me a testimonial. That's it. Deal, right? Is it deal? Of course, it should be a great deal, right? You know what it is? It's drop 80 US dollar. What I'm gonna give you the offer of Trio executive sessions is only 19 US dollar today, limited offers. You see, it's like you buy just 3 venti of coffee. The big size of coffee. 3 cups of coffee venti. It's just like that. This is very worthwhile. Okay, and what you're gonna get is that you see 3 sessions. Coaching session that help you discover important area, right? Coaching session that help you to discover possibility to achieve outcome, and step-by-step formula that help you to create your visual SMART goal, right? And that's total value. I only ask for 19 US dollar only. or you can buy me just 3 cups of coffee. That's it. This is about my offer. It's worth it, isn't it? It's just not huge amount of money at all, right? And to think of the value that I'm gonna give to you, that you can be a person who can start life with the right direction, with the priorities, and enable you to success and build your confidence at the end, right? This is my offer. What you're gonna get is just like this. So almost at the end, that I promised that I already prepared a gift for you, and I attach that at the end, right? So whoever listen to this webinar happen to look at my presentation for the whole presentation, and you think this is gonna be right for you to start, and would like to have an exclusive session with me, email me and say, yes, I'm in, right? Very simple. Yes, I'm in at email address here, noppade@hotmail.com, noppade@hotmail.com. Okay, very simple. That is your starting point. Yes, I'm in. Write that email to me, noppade@hotmail.com. Right? Okay. Come to this far. I need to thank you very much that you come and stay with me until the end, right? I hope very much that it is gonna be very fruitful, valuable content presentation to you, and you really can adopt the concept, adapt it, and apply it in your life. Okay, so this is going to be my gift that you're gonna download now, or I will attach it under the presentation later on. Okay, this is my gift for you to download. It is no obligation at all. This is totally free. But I would like to show you how you actually what you're gonna get, right? In fact, if you really cannot click here by yourself, you may copy this link, okay, and you click this link. It's gonna be something that you will see my page, because here Not Coaching Philosophy, and under that we will say 5 steps to empower yourself, right? You just click download now. No need anything in return. You will see the PDF file of step by step, 5 steps under acronym table of how to empower yourself, right? This is cool, isn't it? Is it actually the knowledge? Give it to you. You can try yourself. You can try it out. You can try with your friend, or you can talk about it, discuss, try it and make it happen. This is very simple step, right? So this is something that I would like to, stop my presentation here, and I would say thank you very much once again. If I have a chance to do another presentation, I will do it again. Please let me know. Please have some question. If you have some question, I will return to you with the answer in the next opportunity that we can meet each other again, right? Thank you very much. Good luck.